Hey there, this is Jack. I'm a certified technician with Nelson Automotive. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our minimum and comprehensive maintenance packages that we offer. And specifically today I'm going to be telling you about our 5,000 mile interval. Okay, so behind me we have our fine express lane technicians who are performing a variety of these maintenance packages. And the basic way we have it structured is you have a minimum package and a comprehensive package. The minimum package is designed to satisfy manufacturer warranty and just have you touch on all the maintenance items they're going to want you to do. Our comprehensive package is designed if you're somebody, it's designed for if you want to take exceptionally good care of your vehicle. Now, the most common maintenance package that these fine people are doing is either the 5,000 interval or some variation of that 5,000 interval. So as part of the minimum package, so most times you're here, it's 5,000 or some interval of 5,000. We're doing an oil change, oil and filter change, tire rotation, and a multi-point inspection. Now there's a lot of bullet points that goes into that multi-point inspection, such as checking your air filters, checking your fluid levels, checking your engine belts, making sure there's no leaks, checking your headlights, tail lights, having the vehicle in the air, making sure your suspension's tight, checking brakes, tires. There's a whole lot to it. So we do have a video specifically talking about all of what we do as part of our multi-point inspection process. So if you're curious about that and you want more details, go to our page and check that video out.
Good, dude.
Okay, so now talking about the comprehensive package, which is designed if you want to take exceptionally good care of your vehicle and minimize the likelihood of downtime. It's going to include everything we just did as part of that minimum package, so oil change, tire rotation, multi-point inspection, and additionally we are going to add a BG engine oil additive and a BG fuel additive. Okay, so now I'm going to get into a bit of a tangent here, so just try to follow along with me about why we're doing these additives. So the way our maintenance package is structured is you can imagine it as a rotation. You don't have to worry too much about the details, but when we're doing our comprehensive maintenance package, we use BG because they offer additional coverage if you perform their services within certain deadlines of vehicle mileage. So to get the most bang for your buck out of performing that, we've structured the rotation so that at every so many intervals, you're doing an additional service. So starting with the 5,000, because this is something you're going to do every 5,000 miles, is you're going to add that engine oil additive, for example, because if you do that engine oil additive every 5,000 miles, you will be eligible for the maximum additional powertrain coverage that is offered as part of this program. So additionally, I'm like out of work. I'm like Will Smith. I just talk too much. Okay. So now you get the basic idea of what goes into our minimum and comprehensive package, starting at the 5,000 mile interval, which is the least involved interval, and touching more on that rotation. So comprehensive package, we did the engine oil additive and the fuel additive. Well, now there's going to be variations of that as we go forward. So for example, at the 15,000 mile interval, there's a few additional things we have to do, whether it's the minimum or comprehensive package that will involve doing the oil change and the engine oil additive, but will also involve additional steps. And then final thing I would like to touch on is keep in mind, if you do watch those videos talking about our 15 and 30,000 mile maintenance interval, the whole theory of how we have this maintenance plan set up, regardless of if you do the minimum package or you want to take exceptionally good care of your vehicle and do the comprehensive package, is we have it structured to sort of be like a combo deal or a value deal. That way, instead of having these maintenance items just thrown at you in one big clump at a certain mile interval, such as 30,000, they are spaced out and comboed together to get the most value, the most bang for your buck, so to speak. But anyways, that's all I have to talk to you about today. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to contact us, and you have a wonderful day.